Skycorns, it's me, Skylar, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get your back walkover in one day. I am super excited for this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post another video. You Skycorns are amazing. We are almost at 1.3K and I am super excited. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay Skycorns, so in order to get your back walkover in one day, you need to be able to do a bridge. So there are two ways to get into a bridge. You can lay down and just push up, or you can stand up and bridge back. The second option, standing from here and going backward, is really going to come in handy when you're learning your back walkover. Now, if you have a bridge on the floor from a push-up, that is totally okay. You're just gonna need to really work on getting your bridge from standing, because that's gonna get rid of your fear of going backwards and you can get your back walkover in one day. So it's really gonna come in handy if you have a bridge from standing. Once you have your bridge from standing, you can go backward, point your good foot out, and just kick towards the ceiling. Come down. That's going to be the exercise. I'm gonna show you that one more time, and then we're gonna do 5 of them. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to get a standing back bend, please comment down below or take part in the poll wherever the eye is. Bridge down, put your good leg out in front of you, point it, and kick. Come down. Let's do 5 of these. Okay, so once you're done with 5 of those, and you feel really confident and you feel like you've really mastered that step, you can start on the second step. So in a back walkover, you're going to start with your good leg in front, and your arms are going to be by your ears. Now, having a back bend kickover is really going to help you in your back walkover. But right now, I'm going to show you some tips on how to get your back bend kickover. You're going to start with your good leg, and you're going to put your arms up. Now you're going to bridge back just like you're doing a back bend. And you're going to have your leg out. Now from here, you're going to push your shoulders towards the wall. 1, 2, 3, jump. That is an exercise that can really help you get your back walkover / back bend kickover. So I'm going to show you that one more time, and then we're going to do 7 of these, because this drill is so important. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So remember, you're putting your right leg out, and your arms are up, you're going backward, and your leg is right here, and it's not on the ground, it's above, and you push towards the wall 3 times, 3, and jump. You're jumping off your bad leg right here, and your good leg's in front of you, and you're bending on your bad leg, and you're pushing. Make sure when you're pushing, you are leaning your shoulders towards the opposite wall, towards the wall that you're going towards, or anything you're going towards. You want to make sure your shoulders are pushing forward, like your armpits are gonna go out of their socket. But let's not have your armpits get out of your socket, because that's not good. We're going to do 7 of these drills. Let's do it. Which is step number 3, is you're going to put your good leg in front of you, and you're going to do a handstand. But you're going to do a split handstand, like this. And then you're going to come down onto your bad leg and push back onto your good leg. That is a TikTok. Now I'm going to show you that one more time, and I'm really going to go through the steps. Your good leg's in front of you. Your arms are up. You're basically doing a split handstand. You're dropping your bad leg. Now you're kicking your good leg over. Step, present. Let's do 5 of these. We're almost to the end, and you'll begin your back walkover in no time. Okay, so now we are almost to the end. So now you're going to basically do a choppy back walkover. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your good leg in front. You're going to have your arms straight up by your ears. You're basically just going to do a back bend, but your leg's going to be in front of you. So back bend here. Now, this is the part where you have to kick over. So just think of the TikTok that we just did. And down and press. We're going to do that slow. So I'm going to show you how choppy it's going to be. And then we're going to do 5 of those choppy back walkovers. And then afterwards, we're going to do a smooth back walkover. And you'll have your back walkover. So this is the choppy back walkover. Now, you might be thinking, well, Skylar, isn't a choppy back walkover a bad back walkover? No, not necessarily. Once you really have it down pat, it's going to look like a smooth back walkover. But when you're learning it, it's going to look like a choppy back walkover. And then once you're comfortable and you feel like the choppy back walkover is long gone, the smooth back walkover is going to come out of you. Let's do 5 of these. Now it's time to do the actual back walkover. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to look back, and then you're just going to do it in a fluid motion, making sure you're still doing that tick-tock motion afterward. I'm going to do it 2 more times. Skicorns enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notifications. Please comment down below if you Skicorns got your back walkover. Remember our acronym: SMILE, kind, intelligent, courageous, outstanding, responsible, and noble. Bye, Skicorns! We are Unisome. I love you, Skicorns, so much. Bye, guys.